Let's learn the alphabet sounds with Alhassan. A fun phonics adventure for toddlers. Hi friends, I'm Alhassan. Let's go on a sound adventure. Are you ready? E-T-O. A is for A apple. Can you say A apple? Ta. A apple. Bo. B bear. B is for B bear. B makes the sound B bear. Boo, boo, boo. B bear. C is for C cookie. Let's say it together. C cookie. Ha, ka, cookie. A is for apple. B is for bear. C is for cookie. Yay, you're doing great. Let's play a sound game. What sound does B make? That's right, B bear. Great job. Great job, friends. Don't forget to smile, learn, and play every day. D is for D dog. D makes the sound da. Dog. Da. Wolf. E is for E elephant. Say it with me. E elephant. Elephant. F makes the sound FF like a soft breeze. Sound effect. Foul. Flower. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for flower. Amazing work, friends. Let's remember. A, apple. B, bear. C, cookie. D, dog. G, E, elephant. G, F, flower. Woohoo! You're phonics stars. Keep smiling and learning, one letter at a time. Okay, let's learn other letters. Are you with me? G is for G, goat. G makes the sound G, goat. Goat. H is for H hat. Can you say it? H hat. H is for hat. Can you say it? Hat. Hat. Look, an ice cream truck. I wonder what's the next letter. Can you guess it? I is for ice cream. Let's say I together. Ice cream. Hue. Sound effect. He. Ice cream. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. What sound does G make? Pause. Go. Goat. What about H? H hat. And I ice cream. Yay! Okay, great job. Let's continue learning and having fun. A to I, you did it, friends. Let's jump. J is for jelly. J makes the sound jelly. Jelly. K is for kite. K makes the sound kite. Kite. L is for L-Ladybug. Chua, let's say L together. L-Ladybug. Ladybug. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for ladybug. Tawny, you're amazing. Alphabet friends. Great job, Yai. You yelly. Ka. Ku kita. L. Lulu ladybug. Great job, superstars. We've learned from A to L so many fun sounds. Keep singing, smiling, and learning every day.